Hello, eaters and explorers. As promised, today we're taking a look at a few vegan events hosted in central Tokyo. Our first event gives us a look at the Christmas market that took place at the Hive Jinan in Shibuya. There were about 20 different stalls, all featuring vegan food, skincare, and more. You could also find resources for education and activism to take you or a loved one's vegan journey to the next level. These events are a great way to get connected with the vegan community out here if you want to make some veg friends or you're just new to Japan. There's even a group in Osaka for those who live in Kansai. The market wasn't limited to the inside though, and there was a food truck stationed outside with vegan options as well. The Tokyo Vegan Group doesn't only host large events like this, however. There are occasionally gatherings held in Yoyogi Park that you can bring your own food to and enjoy while you get some fresh air as you make new acquaintances. If you're not feeling up to making your own food for the event, here are some options close to the park that I suggest. If you arrive via Yoyogi Hachiman or Koen stations, try the Nuts Exchange. They're super close by and a completely vegan and extremely eco-friendly restaurant. They're even zero waste if you bring your own takeaway containers. Make sure you're following the BVT blog for honest reviews of vegan and veg-friendly restaurants around Japan. It'll give you plenty of inspiration for your next trip abroad, or if you're already here, a nice place to eat on the weekend. If the Nuts Exchange isn't exactly allergy-friendly for you, or you're coming from Harajuku Station entrance, there's an IKEA right across the street from the station exit with a good variety of plant-based options. Be sure to check with the staff which options are vegan, as some of them are not clearly labeled on the menu. The vegan bistro Jangara, mentioned in my Halloween video, is also close to this side of the park, with some options available for takeout. Make sure you're also following the Tokyo Vegan group so you know when these events happen. I'll be sure to link their information down below. After you enjoy the company of your community, you can take a leisurely stroll around the park and enjoy the beautiful scenery. If you want to see some behind-the-scenes BVT action, be sure to check out my Ko-Fi page or Ko-fi page and buy me a coffee to help support the channel's growth. In our next video, we'll be getting a little taste of home as we talk to the owners of the vegan-friendly Soul Food House to learn how they're strengthening the community through food and good old Southern hospitality. If you like what I do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications to stay in the loop for new videos. And of course, show the like button some love while you're down there to see more content like this. Until next time, be sure to stay safe out there, travelers. And as always, my friends, eat well and travel often.